Doge sit down to do important work. Very productive. Much focus. Today is the day. 3 seconds later, Doge check phone. Then open fridge. Then stare at wall. Then somehow watch 47 minutes of random videos. Work still not done. Doge is not lazy. Doge brain is broken. And today, Doge teach you why and how to fix. Doge brain have ancient reward system called dopamine pathway. Every time Doge do something new and stimulating, phone buzz, funny video, snack, brain release small hit of dopamine. Wow, such good feeling! But modern world give Doge dopamine every 3 seconds. So brain learn, why do hard boring work when so many easy rewards exist? This is called dopamine dysregulation. Doge brain no longer built for slow, deep work. It only want fast, easy stimulation. Much sad. Very broken. Studies show average human attention span now shorter than goldfish. 8 seconds. Doge probably even less because Doge been scrolling since he wake up. Here is what happened in Doge brain during deep work. Prefrontal cortex, the smart thinking part, need to stay active. But amygdala, the panic, distraction, emotional part, keep interrupting. Every notification, every urge to check phone, that is amygdala winning. Doge not weak. Doge just never trained his prefrontal cortex to fight back. Such neglect, very unfortunate. But good news, Doge can fix. Here is how. 1. Doge do dopamine fast in the morning. First 30 minutes after waking, Doge touch no phone, no scroll, no news, no videos. This keep dopamine baseline low so that work feel rewarding later. If Doge check phone immediately, brain already flooded. Work will feel impossibly boring by comparison. Much discipline, very worth it. 2. Doge use the 25-minute focus block. Doge set timer for 25 minutes. Work only, nothing else. Phone face down, notifications off. When timer end, Doge take 5-minute break. This is called Pomodoro technique. Small Doge brain respond well to short challenge. Wow, such productivity! 3. Doge remove temptation from environment. Doge cannot rely on willpower alone. Willpower is finite resource. It run out like kibble in bowl. So Doge put phone in different room. Doge use website blocker like cold turkey or freedom to block distracting sites. Doge make distraction harder than doing the work. Very smart. Much friction. 4. Doge do one thing only. Multitasking is big lie. When Doge switch between tasks, brain pay switching cost. Takes up to 23 minutes to fully refocus after distraction. So Doge write one task on paper before he start. Only that task. Nothing else exist. Such clarity. Very laser. 5. Doge exercise before big work session. Even 20-minute walk increase BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. This is like fertilizer for Doge brain. It grow new neural connections and make prefrontal cortex stronger. Doge who exercise before work focus 30% better than lazy Doge on couch. Wow, such brain gains! Doge want to build these habits, but Doge brain forget easy. That is why Smart Doge use habit tracking app. Doge track morning no phone rule, focus blocks, and daily walk all in one place. Very consistent, much progress. So Doge now know the truth. He is not lazy. He is not stupid. He just has untrained brain in a world designed to distract him. Do dopamine fast. Do focus blocks. Remove temptation. Do one thing. Move body. If Doge do this, he sit down one day and think, wow, much focus. Very productive Doge. Such accomplish. Stay Doge.